So, today I've made myself a grinder of sorts. It's like a food processor, but really, really big. So this is a half kilowatt motor, I think. And I've welded some rebar onto it. And on the end of the rebar, a piece of mild steel that I've twisted to create a sort of razor. Doesn't spin very fast, but it spins fast enough. This is a pile of charcoal and rock and nails. And I'm going to stir it up to isolate it by weight. And the point of this is so that I don't destroy the interior of the grinder. And using a bucket, I just take the dregs off the top. This is a slightly modified gas can. Add some more water. More scoops should do it. Right. Now for the fun part. Let's see. Don't need a whole lot to hold it together. And that's pretty much it. This part's going to be scary for me. There goes nothing. Seemed like it worked pretty nicely. Well, there's less of it in there than there was before. I think I need to work on the seal. I seem to remember there being larger chunks in here. I think it worked, just not very well. Well, that's it. a relatively high power food processor for making fuel. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.